Now, I'm not sure.
Where'd it go?
Right there.
Right there.
Right there.
He heard that kasi you're one family. You want the monkey to be adopted in your family. That's nice.
Where'd he go? Oh,
He's posing for you. Yeah, for calendar. 2009 calendar, ma'am. Good pose right there.
He's posing. Bumaba siya. Bumaba.
Has any food for the little guy?
So I have to follow you. They're good. You know how to open the
Go picnicking.
Ah, sige na, bebe. Go mo na yan. Sir, ayaw yung gusto pong may mag-volunteer sa mga... This one knows. Maybe they're asking for talent. Nobody's paying them. Ay, ayun yung monkey. Hello, monkey. We have to discuss about our group. Alam ko, Andor, narinig ko Andor. Baka may parating na Andor, pero yung dumating na Andor. Nandito ba kayo? Ako ang itlog? Yan na, yan na. Alam mo ko. Di ba gabi na nga? Ay, si Ate Alma. Ako nakaranas nun. Kasi hindi kami nakauwi. Kaya Tony ba yung ano? Bag. Hey, what's your problem, monkey? No. Sagot ka kung salita. My problem is
No way.
Bye-bye, see you tomorrow. Okay.
See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye, Iris.
Nice knowing you. Mañana. What did she say?
I don't know.
You doing good?
Yes, I hope to come.
What more could you want?
Okay, we are now here at the entrance of the cave. It is full of underground river.
Oh.
Welcome.
Thank you.
By the way, ma'am, so before we come into the cave, so I'm reading your cave, guys. So I can see a lot of kind of formation like stalagmite.
Yeah.
Wow.
After 3 minutes.
You're doing fine.
Sometimes you see the bubble in there because before in 1887 this is not protected area. So we transfer also there's a proclamation in 1971 for the transfer of protected area. Information. If you see the white color, yellow color, and black color, that's a kind of cave formation. Look at the back. Higher. Yeah.
Good on that shit.
Look at the front.
Oh.
Parang may kahalimbulan sa loob ng simbahan. Okay, how about to your right side, sir? Looks like Virgin Mary. Right? Higher.
Turn your light there,
Yeah.
brother.
Look at that. Looks like a Virgin Mary.
Yeah.
Or Mama Mary.
The other one, honey, the front.
Stalagmite formation, sir. Post came from the ground.
Shine your light up here to the right there.
And it's the big one, the middle, looks like melting candle.
It looks like a statue of Mother
Yeah,
Mary.
melting candle or giant candle.
On a bad day,
Stalagmite.
maybe.
Stalactite, sir, came from the
A bad
ceiling.
hair day.
Slowly also. A little bit bright. That's looks like a Virgin Mary. Little bit bright. Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Looks like age. And then forward a little bit. That's a big shape or shadow. Looks like a big lion.
Wow, like a jellyfish on your left side.
Forward. Slow. Lower. Lower more. Forward. Looks like a horse or Pegasus. Shadow shape.
Ah, jangan pilih.
Huh? Goodbye. And forward a little bit forward, sir. Forward at the left.
Forward to the left.
Yeah, looks like a Three Kings or Nativity.
Oh, a T-Rex.
Yes.
Yeah, see his
Like
teeth.
Holy Family.
And there's a turtle. He's eating a turtle.
Some house what? Little bit right. Left. Little bit left, sir. Yeah. Yellow cacao.
Oh, that's your jellyfish. Here.
Cacao make a cocoa or make a
Get
chocolate.
that, would you? Yeah. Shine your light right on that
Little
puppy.
bit right. Right, sir. Garlic. Look at that, sir. Right. It's like garlic. Yeah.
Garlic.
And next looks like yellow corn. Forward. Yeah. Yellow corn. Your left side.
Oh, jellyfish.
Like giant mushroom.
That's pretty cool, huh? Can you trust it now?
5 meter high.
Oh.
Look up there.
Oh.
Look how high it is. 65
I wonder if I can
meters.
touch that.
You can no longer do
Is that wind?
Ngayon po yan makikita tuwid sa
Right square.
Are you hungry now?
like bacon.
Dog has a fun chicken chicken there.
Doug got the bad hand.
Stalagmite grow come from up going down. And the stalagmite grow come from down going up. That two formations are made together. That's the columns.
They look like cactus.
Columns made together. The column
color.